Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video today. Now in this video we'll be changing the screen of this phone, Infinix Smart 4, which is the Infinix X653. Alright, so as you can see, the screen of this phone is damaged. As you can see, it fell days ago. So I'm going to start by opening the back cover. Okay, this is Infinix X635. Sorry, X653, obviously. So first of all, I'm going to remove the SIM cards like this and open the phone. So after that, you're going to open this front side here. If you use something flat like the knife, or you can use the actual tool, although I lost mine from my set here. Alright, so you can use a flat bread knife or something. And be very careful of the fingerprint sensor. You don't need to break it out, so just push it down this way and raise it up like this. Okay, as you can see, there's one screw here I have not touched, so I'll just make it open like this. Alright, then I'll draw it out and everything's intact. So this is the main screen here. You understand? This is one of the clip. This is one of the clip here, and this is the battery clip. So you have to unclip this one first from this place. Alright, and for us to change the screen, we have to remove the battery. It's very important. Alright, and you have to be very careful as well. Alright, so just draw it up like this and we'll have it open. Alright, so remove every single thing right here. Then this stuff is connecting to this, so this is the thing I'm going to remove. And this flex is to the downboard here that connects the charging port and goes straight to the panel, like to the main motherboard, obviously. Then this is the screen's flex you get, so this connects to the motherboard and then down to the screen. So once this motherboard flex if this downboard flex has issue, it will affect the screen flex here. Alright, so when I want to test the screen, I will just have the screen like over here, then we'll plug in this one here to test with the panel with the battery. Right, so let's get the screen ready. And this is the screen I got. Now this screen costs about 11,000 naira. Check it. That's the recent price in 2022, September 2022. Alright. Well, for us to buy this in about 7,000, 5,000 around 2020. So this is a shop, right? And this is how a new screen will look like. Alright, I need to remove it from here. So I think I'll need a heater to make this thing very hot. Then I'll use a knife. So I think it's a bit hot now, so I'll now face it on the edges of the screen here like this to make the glue become light. If you work at a professional shop, however, you can use the flat heater, right, and that will make it work easier. Or you can also use this one if you have, or if you don't have, you can also use the stove. If you have a stove or gas or something, you can put an iron plate above it, or if you have an iron, an iron for ironing clothes, you can use it as well. Just place the phone above it and leave it on, and once it's heated, you can use the knife on it. Alright, I think it's hot enough now. That's what. Try as much as possible. As you can see now, it's so easy. It's as if we've opened this before, but this is the first time. Alright. So make sure the whole stuff here are intact. Make sure none are missing. Okay, remove it this way and put this rubber. keep this, should be very safe as well. Alright, then roll it out this way. So we have the stuff ready and it's already clean. However, but if it's dirty, you can just wipe it out like this before you apply it once. So you have to carefully apply this glue. So make sure you don't apply this gum on the light. We have the front facing flash here. You can apply it just in the middle here, and don't block this sensor. This is space for the sensor from the panel. Alright, apply here to make sure you don't block the camera. Alright, then skip that part and continue from here. You can go to put one here and here, that's all. But it's not advisable to add gum on this surface, alright? But I do add sometimes. So after that, we can just put our screen this way. So if you find out that your screen does not have a tiny nylon above here, you can put a piece of tape or stand side to not be hot, because if you don't put it, it might make the phone hot sometimes. Sorry. Alright, so just place it firmly and don't press too hard, it will just sink by itself. So make sure the camera is placed firmly. Alright. So it might be so ugly like this, but after it's dried, you can just use your hand to remove the gums. But for now, allow it to dry. We have to now plug it in from this place. We have to use this rubber here. Alright, so first of all, let's align it with the base here. Alright, so you can now plug in directly. Allow this to sink in. Then let's try it out with battery before we glue it all together. Right, so as you can see, everything is working very fine. Right, so after we do this, we can now remove this thing once again. So we can apply gum, a little glue on the surface of and add it here. Alright, and I'll glue it here like this. Let's close the back in like this. Alright, so carefully put the nuts back. After screwing everything, you can just pull back. Alright. So you can just use your fingertip to remove this excess gum here. After clearing the edges, you can just remove the paper like this. Please like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications for other videos I will be uploading. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.